now. We see the fireworks. That was cool. Yes. Oh God. Okay, we gotta wait a little bit. Wait. Let's get out of the car real quick so I can see more. We're outside now. Where are they? I don't know where they are. I don't see any. Where are they? Where are they?
They were gone.
Shut up, please.
No.
Just be quiet. I want to hate you so hard. Sorry guys, it's my sister right now. Oh wait, what was that? I don't know what the heck that was. There are Oh my God, so you're such a brat. Number one, first of all, oh, there's another one. I didn't even see it. We didn't even see that. Whoa, that is cool.
I told
This is cool. It looks like an explosion on a volcano. If I could stand on that building and see it clearer. Hey, we should have bought We should have actually bought fireworks. Like, you know those like little fireworks sticks, like where there's a spark at the end. Yeah, we should have bought one of those. Ouch. Okay. There was a one on the ground. Wow, how convenient. Oh, there's another one. They're blocking by the trees, so what the heck is that? It's a little.
There's green ones or blue?
This is cool. It's so cool. Happy 4th of July.
Quiet, guys.
I'm recording. I'm trying to use my phone higher. Oh God, if you guys can't see it, then I'm so sorry. There's another one.
I want red.
These are cool. I'm really gonna be really sad when it ends. I'm gonna be super sad. These are cool. I actually want to know if you can make a firework. How do you make fireworks? Oh God, it scared me to death.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. We got food too. I'm drinking something right now. I'm drinking some tea from McDonald's. Don't judge me. I like the tea from McDonald's. Just don't judge me. Where are they? I'm so sorry for oh, there's some more. Oh my God. Whoa, that is cool. Oh God. This is so cool.
I want to do that like you.
Oh my God, I wish we were closer to see this.
We'll get another one.
That's my sister. Don't mind her, guys. Mind me, because I'm the star of my channel. She is not, because this is not her channel. It's mine. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's more!
Yeah,
Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. No. Is there any more? Is that it? Better not be it, or I'll be so sad. I will be so sad if it's not there. What the heck was that? What in the world is that? So, yeah, we're just right over here looking at the fireworks. There were a few fireworks like outside, like I showed you like a few minutes ago, but still, like. Sorry, what the heck was that? Where, is there any more? Wait, is it done already? Seriously? Wow, that was slow. Was that serious? That was it? Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. I just got here. That is not cool. That is not fair. Oh great. Oh great. Well, I like the fireworks, but now there's gonna be traffic. Is that a guy on a bicycle? Is this dog on a bicycle? I don't know. We should have bought. I think we should buy fireworks.
Buy some?
Yeah. There's some. I think there's some at Walmart. Yeah, we should go and buy some. We should go and buy some. And I'll record some at when we get home. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna buy some fireworks now. Come on, let's go. Gamer Girl 09 here. We just got the new fireworks and we already light them. The bad news is I forgot to record while we were doing it, so I'm sorry, so you didn't get to see it. But I had fun today, yeah. And yeah, I just want to say happy 4th of July and see you guys tomorrow. Bye. This is Gamer Girl 09 signing off. Bye.